Okay, so let's quickly have correction to our assessment, and then alhamdulillah, many of us actually got it right. So that's I'm impressed. So it shows we've been following very well. So for those who couldn't get it, so this is just the little explanation. As I've told you, that I'm going to declare a variable with prompt. So this is a variable a, then we declare a prompt that says what is your name. Then after that, we go ahead and declare another variable for math.random. So after it has picked a random number, we know that most normally random number will give us numbers between 0 and 1. So we don't want numbers between 0 and 1. We want something more than that. So you come here and declare another variable that multiplies this first variable by the kind of number we want. So now I've come up with 7 figures. So I've multiplied it with 7 figures. Then P, now to round it up so that it won't be giving us point. So math dot round for this one. Alright, so after that, so this is just the random number we'll be picking. Then we declare an alert. This is what we call after we have pressed OK for our prompt. So alert now say hello, what is this? A, the name of the person. So hello Shakira, your net worth will be, I've declared dollar, this random number here, the P, will be so millions of dollar by 2022, inshallah. So it is just as simple as this. If you haven't done this before, now you can go and do your own. Thank you. See you in the next class.